Alright, so right now you are looking at the WENKIA webcam. This is being recorded in 1080p. You are listening and also watching me on the webcam. And I want to talk about some of the pros, some of the cons, and who might this camera be for. With the times that we're in, a lot of people are going to live streaming. Some people are going to conference calls and things like that. So I wanted you guys to kind of get a feel of what this camera is about. So let's go ahead and start with the pros. As you can see right away, you can get a feel for the space that I'm in. Meaning, if I back up, you can see how wide this space is. It's like I'm in a big room, and that's because the camera is capturing a really wide angle. So the next thing I want to talk about is the fact that it's plug and play. So that's another pro. It's no drivers necessary. You just plug it in, and it comes right on, and you select it in whatever program that you're using. Right now, I'm using the QuickTime app to record this video. Alright, so now some of the cons. I would say the number one con for me is the fact that the color is not really true to itself. My walls in the background are actually green. I have a light pointed towards the ceiling here, and it's not really capturing the color of the room. I mean, you can tell that I'm wearing a black shirt. These curtains that are hanging are black. The panels are actually gray. But you can't really see too much of the detail, but that's alright because we're not really trying to capture the colors in my room. What we want to see more importantly is my face. And that's what we're pretty much focusing on. So you might be asking yourself, who is this webcam for? And I would say anybody that is doing any type of video conferencing calls, whether it's Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, you may be a live streamer on Twitch or YouTube. I think this is a good entry-level webcam into 1080p. The colors may not be so great, but that's okay because as long as it's capturing your face, and again, you have the wide angle. So it's your boy Young Fizz. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. We out.